Welcome everybody. Today I'm unboxing a SiliconDust HomeRun Connect QUATRO HD. It has 4 tuners. It's only just become available through Amazon in Australia via the Amazon America, not the Amazon Australia site. So it's readily available from now on. The part number is a HDHR5-4US, which implies it's for USA. But I'm told or informed by various forums, etc., that this is compatible for Australia and potentially the EU as well, but I obviously won't be able to confirm that. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. It took about 3 weeks to arrive by Amazon, so it was a little bit slower than I was expecting. Okay, so we have a welcome message. Congratulations on purchasing your new HomeRun device, etc., etc. We have a quick start guide. Looks like 2 steps. Nothing on the reverse. And we have the device itself. As you can see, it's very hard to tell from the pictures how big this is, but it's actually quite small. It's embossed with the HD HomeRun. We have 1 UHF connection and 1 network port and 1 power connector. On the back it's metal, 1.5 volt input with 1.5 amps DC. Gives you a MAC address. It's probably about 15 mil thick by about 100 mil square approximately. Really not much to it. This is completely empty. We have a Cat5e 1.83 meter black Ethernet cable, which should be good for gigabit speeds, not gigabyte, gigabit network speeds. I'll pull this out so you can have a closer look. It's of what I would term poor to medium quality. It's not very well twisted, it's not very thick, it's not very heavy gauge. So I won't be using that. This doesn't really want to come out, but it has. So the rest of the box is now empty. Nothing more to see. In this box, I'm assuming, is the power adapter, which is probably going to be for America. I'm hoping it's a USB, but it's not. So it is definitely for US, which is completely useless in Australia. My recommendation to SiliconDust would be to include a straight USB type power connector, which, considering it is 5 volts, would be quite adequate with a normal 2 amp transformer, switch mode transformer. So that's pretty much it. Not really too much else to speak of. I will be posting further videos about how this performs on my network, etc. Any issues, hopefully it's all good, and gives us a little bit more flexibility in the form factor for home theatre PCs, in that we don't need any PCI cards, tuner cards in the device, which means we can make use of micro form factor PCs, small form factors, without requiring any sort of expansion slots. So this is my ultimate aim in the future, although I'm still running my original home theatre PC, which is also posted on this channel. Okay, thank you very much, and if you like, please like. If you want to subscribe, I will be posting more videos in the future, centered around various computer topics, etc. Okay, thank you, bye.